Hey, welcome to the show. Today we have an order of operation challenging problem. It is made for our math ninjas. We are math ninjas, yes. That's right. Hey, if you want to try this on your own, hit the pause button. And when you're ready to check it with me, hit the play button. Are you ready, my math ninjas? Oh, we are ready, yes. Okay, what do we do first? Well, if you forgot how to do order of operation, you do what's inside parentheses first, then you do exponents for step 2. Step 3, do multiplication and division from left to right, and then you're going to do addition and subtraction from left to right. Pretty simple. How do you like it? Oh, we love these kind of problems. Yes, we will do it. Okay, do you have any cookies? No, we don't have any cookies yet. Maybe at the end we'll give you some cookies. So let's go ahead and do what's inside parentheses here. 2 to the second power. What is it? 2 times 2? A 2d 2? 2 times 2 is 4. So I'm going to rewrite this here. 4 to the second power divided by 4 plus 3 times 3 plus 3. Now you heard me say all that, and it's really helpful for you to say your problems too, even to mention the words out loud, or in a whisper, and it's really important, and it does some crazy cool stuff to your brain. So, all right, let's keep on going. So our next step would be, we can do parentheses, and as you advance and get into this more, you might be able to do 2 steps at the same time. But for right now, I just want to just be consistent, all right? So I'm going to do 4 to the second power divided by 4 plus 3, and then 3 plus 3 equals 6. All right, now we got to do exponents. 4 to the second power would be 4 times 4, it would be 16 divided by 4 plus 3 times 6. All right, again, now we're going to do multiplication and division from left to right. So now I'm going to go 16 divided by 4, which would be 4, plus, and I'm going to jump to this step right here. All right, so I'm going to go 3 times 6 would be 18. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and put little equal signs right there. Now, what is 18 plus 4? 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Our answer is 22. How'd you guys do? All right. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show, my math ninjas. Oh, thank you very much. Hey, check out the other channels I have. I have other channels on education. I got a lot of other cool problems on that one. I also have an outdoor channel. And just have a fun day outside today. Just get out, exercise. You gotta keep exercising out there. Be healthy, be safe. We'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.